these Robinhood penny stocks worth the risk to buy? Highlight penny stocks on Robinhood in particular. This is a question we get semi-frequently, so I wanted to give some color to the topic. Robinhood has a lot going on in the eyes of traders. Many good, many bad, but at the end of the day, the focus is on trading penny stocks. While Robinhood may have helped usher in the age of fee-free trading, other brokers have since echoed a similar approach. One of the main differences, and why I highlighted Robinhood penny stocks, is based on which stocks can actually be traded. Platforms such as Thinkorswim, eTradePro platform, or even Interactive Brokers have access to all penny stocks. Robinhood, however, limits the types of stocks that can be traded. For the most part, and with some exceptions, only listed penny stocks can be purchased on the app. This means, again for the most part, that only Nasdaq and NYSE stocks are accessible. When it comes to OTC penny stocks, for instance, there are only a handful of names allowed to users. Now, are all penny stocks on the OTC banned from apps like this? No, and actually, if you pull up a few of the dually listed names like Rolls-Royce, RYCEF, you'll see that some are tradable. This is why I say that, for the most part, only listed stocks are allowed. Robinhood penny stocks to buy. Number 3, Rolls-Royce Holdings. I discussed it briefly above. Rolls-Royce Holdings is one of the few OTC penny stocks that can actually be bought using Robinhood. Whether or not that's the case for you, personally, is something that you'll have to decide. Needless to say, it has become one of the penny stocks to watch before 2021. A big reason for that is based on the company's outlook for its engineering business. Against popular opinion, Rolls-Royce isn't the car company many think it is. It's actually one of the larger aerospace engineering firms in the world. We've discussed the company in the past, and one of the risk factors right now is the company's hurdles due to COVID. The pandemic obviously all but shut down travel. A company that manufactures jet engines, for example, likely has a hard time advancing business in such an environment. Some of the excitement stemmed from news that the company would be making a return to its narrow-body jet business. We want to be in a position that when someone launches a new product, we're credible, whatever that market may be. We don't rule ourselves out of any part of the market today because evolution in the 2020s could be really quite exciting, engineering and technology chief Simon Burr said in an interview. Furthermore, some recent news highlighted companies like Airbus and Boeing and their narrow-body jets. This has traders looking at manufacturers like Rolls and GE right now. Robinhood penny stocks to buy. Number 2, IZEA Worldwide Inc. Since early May, IZEA stock has been on our watch list. We've seen shares jump from around 30 cents to as high as $3.13. There was a pullback into the early fourth quarter, and now IZEA stock is back on the move in December. I think some of the reasons for the pullback, aside from profit taking, was the uncertainty of its business model. IZEA provides influencer marketing and data. With a mixed year due to COVID, traders have continued raising questions on how the marketing industry could evolve. Fast forward to the latest quarterly update, and IZEA has shown its strength. In fact, the company was able to beat EPS. What's more, during the last few weeks, IZEA has also managed to secure significant business and more than doubling its managed services customers between Q3 and Q4. The company also gained a mid-six-figure contract deal with one of its existing Fortune 500 clients. I cannot remember a time in our 14-year history when the cadence of customer contracts has been this strong, said Ted Murphy, IZEA's chairman and CEO. Not only have we seen our new customer counts for managed services more than double from Q3 to Q4, we have also seen our loyal customer base return with strength. Many of them are not only increasing their commitments for the 2020 holiday season, but also kickstarting their 2021 influencer marketing initiatives. With somewhat of a renewed spirit, it's going to be interesting to see how IZEA fares heading into the new year. Can it continue along this path of strong growth in 2021? Robinhood penny stocks to buy. Number 1, Colorstar Technology Co. Colorstar, CSCW, is another one of the penny stocks you might have come across over the last few months. When we had first begun discussing it, the company was trading under the symbol HHT. It first hit the watch list thanks to excitement stemming from the stay-at-home orders. What could be so exciting? In this case, Colorstar was focusing on e-learning, and with the stay-at-home orders and school closures becoming a factor, industry stocks like CSCW were on the move. While the penny stock has been relatively flat in recent months, December appears to have sparked some renewed interest from traders. Earlier this month, the company announced the launch of an international version of its ColorWorld app for December 31st. ColorWorld International will become another pillar for our entertainment infrastructure and facilitate online and offline integration. In 2021, we will promote our ColorWorld app to more countries and regions and host a variety of offline performances. We expect to use the app to provide more vibrant and diversified contents to our ever-growing number of users, said Luke Liu, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of ColorStar. Since COVID is still much a part of everyday life, e-learning stocks remain a focus. Additionally, I think that the entertainment side of ColorStar could also become a point of focus even as coronavirus vaccines roll out.